Hi, I'm Julia and I'm going to be your medical assistant today, and today we are going to be going over your EKG analysis, and I have here case number 358. So first I'm going to start with explaining kind of what these little boxes mean that are on this chart. And so the little boxes here, it's kind of hard to tell, but the little boxes there, that just means 0.04 seconds, and then the larger boxes like here, that is 0.2 seconds. And now I'll continue with examining the rhythm. So if you look over here, the first bump that you see right there, that's going to be the P wave, and then that first dip that follows right after that bump, that's going to be the Q. And then the peak, which you can tell clearly at the very top here, that's going to be the R, and then the S is just the end of that peak there down at the bottom. And so this entire complex, like from here to here, that's the QRS, and it is about 0.06 seconds, and the normal range is about 0.06 to 0.12, so that can tell us that it's in the normal range there. Now next, I'm going to look at the P waves, which are all looking good here because they are upright and they all have the QRS complex behind them. Now, so when I look at the P waves, I will do the 1500 rule. So I do 1500 divided by the 20 boxes, and that's the 20 boxes that are in between them. And then that's the arterial heart rate. And so for that, I get 75 beats per minute for the arterial heart rate. And then I look at this next P wave complex, and it's at 0.12 seconds, which is a normal range. And then I look at the T waves here that are slightly slanted and asymmetrical, which is a normal range. That's how they should be. And then I'm going to look at the PRI, which is the start of the P wave that's right here to the end of the QRS. So that's going to be 0.12 seconds because I did 4 times the 3 boxes that were there. Now I'm going to look at the ventricular heart rate, which used the, here we go, 300, 150, 100, 75, 60 method. And so I did that, and that confirmed it was in the normal range. And next I even confirmed it further by looking at the 2 peaks distance, so here and here, and I used the 300 rule, so doing 300 divided by the number of boxes in between each peak here. So I did 300 divided by 4 of the large boxes, because you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4. And I got 75 beats per minute, which confirms what I originally found. So overall the rhythm is normal with no irregularities at all, because all the values that we talked about and found were in a normal range, meaning that he had, or she had, a normal heart rate overall.